Hey guys, my name is Ryan. I'm a developer and a huge fan of Showit. I've been using Showit for over 7 years and love everything about it. I've created a plugin that will allow you to edit your blog styles, so your H2s, H3s, H4s, all the way through H6, your paragraphs, your links, block quotes, your comments, and so much more, all within a plugin on your WordPress dashboard. So let me show you how this works. We're going to take this blog post that currently looks like this, and with a few clicks, we're going to turn it into this, where we can see that the block quote stylized, your H2s, your H3s are all stylized, and even if we scroll down, you can see that the comments have been stylized. So it's a big upgrade from this, and I'm going to show you how you can do that with the plugin. All right, so here we are inside of the Showit Blog Stylist plugin. You can see that we have options to edit our heading 1 all the way through heading 6, our paragraph, link, block quote, and comments. And you can even add your brand colors to make it easy to select your colors while you're editing all this. Let's jump over to the H2 settings. We're going to toggle apply settings, and then you can see that there are options to upload custom fonts. You can select through 900 already installed fonts, including all of the Google fonts. And then you can go through and edit things like the text align, text transform, which is going to be things like uppercase, lowercase, text decoration, so underline or strike through, font size, line height, letter spacing, and even word spacing. You can update the font color, and then you can even space things out. So you can apply margin and padding to individual elements like your H2. So I went through and I actually styled the H2 settings already. So I'm using a custom font called Cameron Light, and then I've set font size of 28, and then the font color is just going to be black. Added some margin. So let's go ahead and click on save, and you'll see that once I refresh, this is an H2 here, and you'll see the difference right away, just like that. So here's the H3. I want it to be left aligned as well, and I'm going to add some color to it. So let's go ahead and do that. So if I click on H3, toggle this on, you can see that I'm using the Poppins font, uppercase, font size is 16, and then I've set some color and some margin around the H3 as well. So let's go ahead and click on save. If I refresh, you're going to see this text get stylized, just like that. Now, the other thing that's bothering me here is this block quote settings. I don't like the gray background, and the font just kind of doesn't stand out. So let's go back over to the plugin. We're going to click block, and you're going to see that we can update the block quote settings here. So we're going to toggle this on, and I've gone through and I've applied the style 1 predefined style to it. And then in the quote section, I'm using a custom font, and then I've set some other settings up here. You can see I've adjusted the font color of just the quote. So the quote and the site are going to be here. This is the actual quote. This is the site. So after applying some styles to it, let's go ahead and click on save. Go back over here and refresh, and you're going to see that it looks dramatically different, a lot better. It's a big improvement. So if we go down here, the last thing I want to show you is the comment section. You can see that we have some comments here, but they all kind of just blend into each other. Nothing really stands out. So let's add some styles to the comments. Let's click our comments designer. Let's toggle on stylized comments. You can go through and adjust styles independently for the author, the meta, body, reply button, comment form, and even child comments. So I've already gone through and opened up each one of these and set some settings up. So let's go ahead and click on save, go back to our blog post, and we're going to refresh, and we're going to watch it transform from something that you can't really read into something organized and looks a lot better. So all of that is available within the Showit Blog Stylist plugin. I hope that this plugin helps you guys create really beautiful blogs.